Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from group 9 will present the description text material. I will introduce the group member Nikmatin Wafiro and I Angga Burhanuddin Yahya and Sania Almer.
The meaning of descriptive text. What is descriptive text? Descriptive text based on the big Indonesian dictionary. Descriptive text is a exposition or description in clear and detailed words. Content description of place, object, such or event that can be felt, seen, smelled, and heard. The descriptive text describes the condition of the object from the outer point of view, so the writer must be able to explain concretely so that the reader can feel directly what is described in the descriptive text. Deskripsi teks adalah teks yang mendeskripsikan dalam kata yang jelas dan rinci, berisi uraian tentang tempat, benda, tempat, atau peristiwa yang dapat dirasakan, dilihat, dicium, dan didengar, yaitu teks deskripsi. The text descriptive text also has its own characteristics. This text has the following characteristics. 1. Descriptive text as a means of describing or explaining an object. 2. Descriptions are written in detail that employ elements of the human senses. 3. This description is written and as clearly as possible so that the reader can feel directly what is in the description text. 4. Using language that is easy and often used in everyday life, usually solid and clear language. 5. Using picture language. 9. Descriptive physical characteristics such as shape, size, color, and state of an object described. Dalam sebuah teks memiliki karakteristik atau ciri-ciri dari teks tersebut. Di dalam teks deskripsi ada beberapa karakteristik, yaitu yang pertama, teks deskripsi sebagai sarana untuk menggambarkan atau menjelaskan suatu objek. Di sini sudah dijelaskan bahwa definisi teks deskripsi adalah untuk menggambarkan atau memperjelas suatu objek atau sebuah peristiwa atau benda atau tempat. Material. The next purpose of descriptive text, judging from the above understanding, then is fact we are able to understand what the purpose of descriptive text. Another goal is to describe everything, be it human, animal, plant, or any image, object with properties attached to it, such as season, people, color, and so forth, so that the reader can figure out what something is out of the picture we convey essence of he has not never zero. Tujuan teks deskripsi adalah untuk memperjelas atau menjelaskan sesuatu benda, hewan, atau tempat wisata, untuk memberikan gambaran kepada para pembaca agar bisa lebih jelas atau dapat memahami dengan rinci.
The next of generate structure. First, Identification. Identification is the first part of the descriptive text, which is located in the first paragraph. The function of identification is to introduce things or objects that we want to describe to listeners or readers. Another function of identification is to tell listeners or readers that the object or thing we are going to describe is special and different from the other. To description. Description is the next part of the descriptive text. This section is usually written in the second and subsequent paragraph. The content of the description section are the properties or characteristics of the object or thing that we describe and is continuation of the first part, identification. The properties or characteristics of the object or thing are special characteristics that are inherent or exist in the object or thing that we describe and are not common things that can be found in every object that is similar to what we describe. Bagian-bagian dari descriptive text biasanya yang pertama identifikasi. Identifikasi biasanya pada paragraf pertama dan berfungsi untuk pengenalan barang atau objek yang akan dideskripsikan kepada pendengar ataupun pembaca. Fungsi lain dari identifikasi ini biasanya memberitahukan perbedaan dari barang-barang yang lain atau objek yang lain yang lebih spesial. Bagian selanjutnya dari teks deskriptif adalah deskripsi. Biasanya pada paragraf kedua dan selanjutnya. Deskripsi berisi sifat-sifat atau ciri-ciri objek atau hal yang kita jelaskan. Sifat atau ciri tersebut biasanya khusus dan melekat pada benda atau hal yang kita jelaskan dan bukan hal biasa yang dapat kita temukan pada setiap benda yang mirip dengan yang kita jelaskan. Language pattern of descriptive text. Descriptive text has several language characteristics or language features as follows. First, using the simple present tense, because its function is to describe something where the characteristic of the object or thing will not change. Then descriptive text use the simple present tense. Example: this car is combi 1. This car has closed sunroof and 2 doors at its one side. Second, using adjective. Describing something will be easier to understand if we use adjective so that something we describe can be imagined more realistically. Example: this car is red and cream. The chairs are good. Yang selanjutnya ciri kebahasaan teks deskriptif. Teks deskriptif memiliki beberapa ciri kebahasaan. Yang pertama, menggunakan simple present tense. Contohnya, mobil ini combi 1. Mobil ini terdapat sunroof dan 2 pintu pada salah satu sisinya. Yang kedua, menggunakan kata sifat. Contohnya, mobil ini berwarna merah dan krem. Porsi ini bagus. Third, using linking verb. A conjunction is word that connect to subject with an explanatory word. Conjunction can be to be, is, are, or other such as some, look, appear, sound, and other. Yang ketiga, menggunakan penghubung kata kerja. Conjunction adalah kata yang menghubungkan subjek dengan kata penjelasnya. Conjunction biasanya menggunakan to be ASMR atau yang lainnya.
Of example and analysis of descriptive text. Please read the text on site. Bisa dibaca di samping ya, contohnya. Analysis generic structure. Identification. Lions are often called the king of the jungle. They can weigh between 250 and 550 pounds. Independent of sex and age, they can grow up to be 14 years old in the wild and over the key of 20 years old in captivity. Description. They become capable and hunting at a key of 2 and are fully grow after 5 or 6 years. Male lions are distinguished able for their impressive manners, which signifies their masculinity and reflects their health. The darker and the thicker the mane, the healthier the lion is. It allows the lions to oppose and frightening to warns of enemies. Particularly humus. The males also appeals to lioness. It is scientifically proven that the males more with lions, dicks and dark manes. Lions with no manes are either genetically inbred of or have been castrated. Of analysis language vectors. Language vectors pronoun they it adjective dark distinguish noun phrases drags menace adverb genetically fully scientifically linking verb is preposition is. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.